Buying your first stock can feel intimidating. Where do you even start? Do you need a ton of money, a Wall Street advisor, or hours of research? Good news, you don't. Anyone can buy their first stock by following a few clear steps, and in this video, I'll walk you through it step by step. Welcome to Grow My Savings. Today, you'll learn exactly how to set your investing goals, open a brokerage account, choose your first stock, place your first order, and manage your investment with confidence. Before you invest $1, ask yourself, why am I investing? Is it for a short-term goal like a down payment or long-term wealth like retirement? Your goals determine how aggressive or conservative your strategy should be. Stocks can go up and down. Ask yourself, how much risk can you handle without panicking? If market swings make you nervous, you might prefer stable companies or ETFs. If you're young with a long horizon, you may lean toward growth stocks. To buy stocks, you'll need a brokerage account. Online platforms make this simple. You can sign up in minutes. Options include full-service brokers for more guidance, discount brokers for lower fees, or robo-advisors if you want an automated approach. Once your account is open, deposit money you're ready to invest. You don't need thousands of dollars. Many brokers let you start with as little as $50 or even fractional shares. Don't just buy the first stock you see trending online. Look for companies with stable earnings, growth potential, healthy financials, and maybe a history of paying dividends. Beginners often start with blue chip stocks or ETFs for stability and diversification. Here's the exciting part: buying your first stock. You'll choose how many shares to buy and how to order. A market order buys instantly at the current price. A limit order only buys if the stock hits your chosen price. Click confirm, and congrats, you're now a shareholder. Owning stock doesn't end with the purchase. Check in on your portfolio regularly, but don't obsess over daily price swings. Stay informed about the companies you've invested in, review performance over time, and adjust as your goals or risk tolerance change. If you were to buy your very first stock today, which company would you choose and why? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to hear it. So, to recap, set your goals, understand your risk, open and fund a brokerage account, research wisely, place your first order, and manage your portfolio with patience. Buying your first stock doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start small, stay consistent, and let your money grow over time. Hit like, subscribe, and join us next time as we cover how to build a simple stock portfolio as a beginner.